In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure multi-factor authentication for a single user in Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Multi-factor authentication, or MFA, adds an extra layer of security by requiring something more than just a password. In this walkthrough, we'll enable MFA for a single user using the built-in tools in the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Make sure you're signed in with an admin role that can manage users such as global admin or user admin. Start by signing in to the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Once you're on the home page, head to the left navigation and open users, then choose active users. This is where you'll see the full list of accounts in your tenant. If you have a lot of users, the search box at the top is the fastest way to locate the person you want to configure. Click the display name of the user you want to update. A details pane will slide open on the right. Stay on the account tab in this pane. That's where the security related links live. Scan down the page until you find the link labeled Manage Multi-Factor Authentication. Select it. This opens the Legacy Per User MFA Management page in a new browser tab, which is expected. On this page, you'll see a list of users again. Use the search if needed to find the same user and then check the box next to their name. With the user selected, look to the right-hand side under Quick Steps and choose Enable. A confirmation box will appear to make sure you're ready to proceed. Click Enable Multi-Factor Authentication to confirm. After a moment, the status for that user will change to enabled. That means nothing breaks immediately. It simply sets the account so the next time the user signs in, they'll be prompted to set up MFA. It's a good idea to give them a heads up so they're prepared with the Microsoft Authenticator app or an approved verification method. Remind them to complete the setup in a single session and to capture any recovery or backup options offered during enrollment to avoid lockouts later. If you don't see the change right away, refresh the page and verify the checkbox is still on the correct user. Also be aware that this is per user MFA. Some organizations use conditional access policies to enforce MFA more broadly. What we did here applies to just one user and is great for piloting or handling exceptions. That's it. You've successfully enabled multi-factor authentication for a single user in the Microsoft 365 Admin Center, and they'll be guided through setup at their next sign-in.